Good evening once again. Today is May 11th, 2025. We are continuing our class for the data science students at Fuoye, Nigeria. We continue from where we stopped last time. We're having this value of Q to be 22, W to be 50, and we want to add together Q to W. So by the time we run this cell, we run this cell too, we got our answer to what? 72. So in this place also, do remember that our value for the P and M has been stated above here. Our value for the P, for the M, and so on and so forth have been stated above. And in this place, we may want to have S times Y plus P minus M. So and our answer will be what? Our answer will be 4,600. So we can see that we have answers already in this place. So I want to make sure I cancel all these answers, all these results, all these outputs. I want to cancel them. How do I cancel them? I'll go to my kernel. Then I'll click on what? On restart kernel and clear output of all cells. Do you see this place? Please, do you see this place? If yes, just say yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. By the time you click it, it will say restart the kernel.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I have restarted the kernel, and that tells us that we have cancelled all the results in the output. So it means that in this place now, we need to rerun this cell again. So I'll be able to have the results like this. This one too, we'll run it. And we run this cell also to have 72. What about this place? We have S and Y plus P minus M. So when we run this place, we are getting 4,600 as our answer. Any question, please? Any question, please? Any question? Excuse me. Now you have X, comma, Y, comma, M, comma, is equal to 200, 400, 700. In this place, what we are saying is that S is 200, Y is 400, and M is what? Is 700. This is 700 I'm saying. So you have to print out the value. Print out X, M, and Y. Our answer shows below. What about this place? You have A, B, C, D. You got to 9, 6, 4, 2. And I have to print out the result. I hope you have seen the way we assign value now in Python. Hello? Are you with me? I want the interactive, please. Look at this place too. You have S equal to 200, Y 400,
Yes, sir.
700. And I have to print S, print Y, print N. So you can see the way I'm putting those things down. That means this value can be in this way. It can be written what? In this manner. So you can see the way I'm assigning the value to each of the variables. So this place now print 2x minus 3y plus 10m. So this is the way to compute it, to calculate it. The answer is what? 6,200. What about this place? X is 10, Y is 27, P is 98. So print X, comma Y, comma what? Comma P. That is, you have to print in this direction. And also you can print what? Print what? In this one, this direction. Look at it. The one for static, one for horizontal. Both are there. So you can print this. Can you see the result? See the result now. 10, 27, 98. This is result for this one here. And this result here is for this one here. Can you see now? That is gone. Look at this place. S is Y is M is 15. So print S, comma, Y, comma, M. So this is telling you that S, Y, and M, they are all equal. And their value is what? Is 15. That's what it's telling you. So once there's no question, you can go to concatenation. Concatenation. This means joining two or more strings together. Look at the example. X equal to 12.0. Y equal to what? Y equal to 10. And let me tell you one thing free of charge. By the time you have your any value like this, yes, any value like this, that's has decimal in the front. It is called float. By the time you have a value that does not have a decimal in the front, it is called numbers, integers. It is called integers. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? So this
Yes, sir.
print S asterisk 2. The meaning is that S raised to power 2. That's the meaning. S raised to power 2. That's the meaning. So what is X? X is 12. 12 to power 2. What will be the answer? The answer is what? 144. So in this place, I'm running this set. This place too. Look at the answer. What's X power 2? That's 144. What is print Y? Print Y is what? Is 10. Is Y 10. That is, you have it here 10. You have it here 10. So what is print what? Print type X. What is type X? Type X means I told you that the value of that X you are looking at what is called float because it has decimal. You call it float. But if it does not have decimal and it's a real number, that decimal, we call it what? Integer. And it is what? It is abbreviated as what? As int. 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 What about this place? Print S plus Y. That means 12.0 plus 10. Answer is what? 22. Do you have any question? Let's go to this place. Look at this place. App 24. Cos 24 points. This one has point in the front. This one has no point in the front. So this one has no point. It's called integer. Int. This one that has point is called what? Float. By the time we get to data types, you will learn more about integer, float, and complex numbers. Are you getting me? Now you have app 2 to be X. And I code the X, I code it like this. Since you are coding this place, anything you code like this is called string. We call it string. String. Anything you code, they call it string. We call it what? String. We call it string. We call it string. That is string. S. R. We call it string. Are you with me at all? Are you with me at all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Me.
let
Yes,
me
sir.
I'm trying to erase again. Now, and then we run this line here. What will be the answer? I want to know the type of app. The app here is what? Is a what? Is integer. What the type of the gauss? The type of gauss. Gauss is what? It floats because it has decimal in the front. What the type of app 2? App 2 is what? Is string. That is STR, string. Anytime you see code like this, we call it string. But then we get to data types, you know more about string, know more about float, know more about integer, complex, and so forth. Look at this place. G is 20.0. H is 11. Then I said print what? H plus G. What will be the answer? That's 1.0. This your G is what? Is float. Why? Because it has decimal. This your H is integer, int. Why? Because it has no decimal. So the two of them added together. Look at this place. You have your S. So what? What is S? Because when you tell me the value of S,
12.
12 is not 12. You call it 1, 2. Why? Because it's a string.
It's a string.
It's a string. It has code. That's code. So it's not 12 again. You call it 1, 2. What is Y? Y is 1, 4. Y is 1, 4. So the two of them are what? Are string. So now print type S. So I'm asking for the type of S. What is the type of S? That is string.
String.
So if I ask to add S plus Y, what would be the answer for S plus Y?
String 26.
1 to 1, 4.
Eh?
1 to 1, 4.
Good of you. What is Y plus X?
1 for 1, 2.
Exactly.
Plus
1
Y.
for 1, 2. Exactly.
1 for 1, 2.
Yes.
Look at the answer. See the result. All these things are the things I'm going to give you the example. You must be very sensitive with it, you. You will give all these things. You know, I told you that your exam will take the formats like sub-objective. Your exam will not take. You write it on paper, but it will be sub-objective. You know the meaning? I will write code for you, and I will ask you to give me the answer. So you write the answer down. And each question will carry 2 marks.
All right, sir.
That was 60%. And I've considered your test. So I've considered your assignment as your first test. So you will give another test very soon. I'll give you the date for the test. That also. You remember the date of our test? You remember?
Yes, sir.
20 what?
20.
2021. I think I choose 2 days. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That will Tuesday and Wednesday. Now this way you have ABC. This way you have CD. Print Q plus W. What will be the answer? A, B, C, D. This place you have what? This way you have D to be 2, 5.
5.
What about E to be what? To be 10.
1, 0. Okay.
10. To be 10. That's 10. That's no string. Now,
okay, it's not a string, it's an
want to
integer.
add D plus E. D plus E cannot be possible because one is string, one is
an integer.
So you cannot add them together. What you can do is to convert one to another to be on the same page. The two of them must be on the same page. So if you want to add, look at this E now. E now is 1, 0. And that 1, 0, that is 10. And that 10 is integer. If you want to convert it to string, you have to put str at the back. STRE. That means we are creating another variable. That variable is named K. Are you with me? And that K is that we are converting E, which is integer. We are calling the what? Into what? Into string. By adding str at the back. You have the question? So by that you have K to be STRE. So that means this your 1, this your 10 will become 1, 0. And when you have to add D plus K, that becomes 2, 5, 1, 0. Do you have any question?
Literally,
We can also convert the string into what? Look at this cell here. We can also convert this string, this 25. We can convert to what? To integer. So that it will be on the same page with this E. Look at your E. Your E is what? Is 10. So we can change this, your D, which is a string, to change it back to what? Back to integer. We're adding ing, int. So by the time you add int to it, what will it give you? What will it give you?
25.
To give 25. So by the time you now add print R plus E. This is our R, which is already 25. Then plus your E, 10. What will be the answer?
35.
It's 35. These are
25.
These are the small things I'm going to give you the example to test your intelligence. I will not give you option when you're going to say A, I'm choosing A, I'm choosing B. No, I am giving you, I'll write the code. Or sometimes I will write a statement, I will ask you to write the code. If I write this statement now, I can write these two lines of code. D 25, E 10. So I can ask you, I'll now begin to write statement. I will ask you to convert D into the same page, to the same page with E, and do the addition. Are you getting me? That means what I just said by mouth now is what I've done here now. I will say write Python code to convert D to the same page or to the same type with E and perform the addition operation and give me the answer. So that means you have to write the code to change this D, which is a string, into what? Into what? Into integer.
Integer.
And perform the operation. But then you want to do your test. Don't expect that your test will be the same. Your test will never be the same. All of you. You will do different questions. And you have time for your test. And I will time you. Get ready for it when the time comes. Look at this place. K, John is handsome. P, John is what? And P, and brilliant. And Q, and it's 26.
And it's 26.
And I begin to say, print K plus P. What is K plus P? That is John is handsome and brilliant. What is K plus Q? John is brilliant and
John is handsome and is 26.
That's the answer.
No.
Question? Any question? Look at this cell. B is 14. A is 20. A is 30. A is 50. A is 102. Print A. Print A plus B. Can you tell me the answer? What is A and what is A plus B?
A is 102.
A is
102.
What is A plus B?
116.
126.
116.
116, exactly.
No.
Good of you. You are correct. So more examples on concatenation. I'll give you this. Name, John. Loc, list loc means location. Abuja. Speed, Python. I can say print, name. What is that name? John. That means John. I mean, John is from Loc. What is Loc?
Abuja.
And he is learning what? Plus key. What is the key? Python.
Python.
Exactly. So likewise the second one too. So the same thing we use plus here. We can use comma to separate it. We can say name, comma, is from, comma, John, look, comma, and he is learning, comma, then skill, comma, and skill. So, exactly. You can use comma to do it. You can use plus to do it. Both will give you the same. What about this place? That is concatenation. To join two or more sentences together.
Sir, please can you come again?
You can use comma to separate it. Like this, comma, comma. You can use plus to separate it. Plus, plus, plus. So name,
Comma.
you have here is John. You have declared name to be John and above. So replace it. That's John. John is from look. What is your look? Look is what? Abuja. John is from Abuja. So go and join together. Go and read it. Let's move further. The same way I did here. The same thing I did here. Go and go through it. Same way I did here. Go and go through it. You can use plus to join. You can use comma to join. In the same way. Go through it and see the results. Let's come back here. S is 50. Y is 300. S is 200. Y is equal to S. Print Y, print S. Can you tell me the answer here?
200.
What is Y?
Y is
Why?
300.
Why is 300?
So, Y is what?
Y is
300.
300.
Y is not 300. You're not following me. Eh?
200.
Y is 200. Good. What is S?
X is
50.
S is what?
200.
S is also 200. Exactly. Y 200, S is 200. That's all.
Why is costly?
The last value will be considered. And you're saying Y is 200. When you have S is 200 here, and then you have Y equal to S, that means you are replacing the value of S to replace Y here. That's what it means. Not to say, so that's what you call swapping. So you can swap the value. That's what you call swapping. The same way here, S is 50. Y is 300. What is your Y here? What is S?
50.
S is Y.
50.
S
50,
is
sir.
200. Now, S is 200 here. So that means the value of S here is already 200 now. Because the last value of S here is 200. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
What is the last value of Y? The last value of Y is what?
300.
X.
S, last value of Y, and Y here. Y is what?
X.
50.
Exactly. The Y should be then Y is what S. And that S already has here. So above here is 50. So that means Y is S is what? S is 200.
Okay. X goes to this. Right.
Do you have any question?
Sir, please come again, sir.
Ask your question. Ask your question directly. Look at it very well.
Why?
Don't stress your brain.
Why is 50?
You don't stress your brain.
When why
The value of S here is 50.
50?
The
Okay.
value of Y here is 300. But in this place,
300.
Y has become S here. Y has become S here. That means Y has become what? 50. Do you know that? Do you get that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So since Y is going to
Yes,
X,
sir.
so that means Y has become X. Y is equal to X. And what is the last value of X above? 50. So it means that the value of Y in this place is 50. So again,
Okay.
S is Y. That means that S is now 50 again. So now said S is 200. So it means that the value of S at last here is 200. While the value of Y at last is 50. So you have S. So the Y is 50, Yes, it's 200.
Okay.
Applicable here.
All
Choose
right.
the same thing applicable here. Choose your brain. You need to study it and read it further. Let's go to comments. Comment, I've been using comment before now. Comment is when you use hash. When you use hash in your code, what you are doing there is that you are commenting. You are explaining the meaning of the meaning of the code you write. You are explaining. Comment can come at the beginning and can be maybe inside the code or can be at the end of the code. Look at this place now. 50 plus 43. Then in the front, I put hash. This hash here means comment. This is the addition of 50 and what? And 43. That means I'm trying to explain the meaning of this land code. Look at this place. S equal what? 50 plus what? The 43.
43.
Then print S.
93.
Good. Now look at this place now. Comment can be at the beginning. We are subtracting 4 from 7 with the following command. Look at this. 7 minus 4. So anytime you put hash here in your coding, when you put hash, what it means that you are commenting. And comment means you are explaining the meaning of the code. And comment can come at the beginning, can be inside the code, or can be at the front.
Okay.
Am I communicating? That's the end of comment.
Yes, sir.
Then I go to print function. Print function. We have two types of print commands. We have two types of print commands. Look at this place now. Print. Hello, my dear brother and sister in this class. I said we should print it out. So look at the result. It's out. Look at this place. I said, why is it hello, my dear brother and sisters? And I said, print Y. You see the answer now. So at least I'll be using this type before. I'll be using this type for you before. Am I communicating?
Yes. Yes, sir.
I'll be using this type before. Look at this place now. Print. Hello, 2024. Print. Hello, 2023. Look at this place. Print. James is, 26, years old. That means James is what? 26 years.
26 years old.
Look at this place. Amy has 3 years experience in what? In driving.
In driving.
Do you get me? Look at this
Yes,
place.
sir.
Print. I have been learning Python since I was 18, years, 7 months. I'm 18 years, 7 months. Do you have any question?
No, sir.
S is Mary. Print S plus. That means S plus is my friend. That means Mary is what? That means Mary is what? Mary is my friend.
Is my friend.
So instead of using plus, you can use comma also. I told you that before. I said instead of using plus, you can use comma. There are 2 ways you can use print. So now there are 2 ways you can use print functions. Number one is what? We call it F string or formatted string literal.
Formatted string literal.
Or formatted string literal. So our time remains like 5 minutes to end this class. So I will start from this place tomorrow by the grace of God. We are meeting tomorrow by latest around 3 or 4 tomorrow. We are meeting 3 or 4 in the afternoon. I hope you will be free that period. 3 or 4 in the afternoon.
We have one class 2 to 4.
Sir, we have a class by that time, sir.
You have a class that time.
Yes, sir.
So when will your